Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Today for this video, I'd like to show you how I prep my skin for makeup. So let's get to the video. First, I wash my face with any type of face wash that I'm feeling that day. And after I wash my face and pat dry, I would always go in with this First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. They are exfoliating and they help like tone and brighten your skin tone. So I like to take one pad and then use it all over my face, just in circular motions, and it helps exfoliate the skin and gets it ready for applying the moisturizer. I wanted to do these videos in detail from so long. Today I thought I'd like to film the videos and give you details on how I do it. It is different depending on everybody's skin, but this is what works for me. So I like to rub it near my nose and the cheek area as well. I use this one. It's a really cute unicorn one. And I'm gonna put my hair to the back because I don't want any hair getting in the makeup. So I just take this and push my hair back from my face. And I just like to pat my face a little bit just to make it dry a little bit quicker and absorb in the skin really nicely. Once I'm done with that, I like to go in with my sunscreen. This is the one I've been using recently. This is the Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense. It has SPF 30 and it is just sheer, and I like to apply it on my face. Once I apply the sunscreen everywhere on my face, I then go in with an eye cream, and the e.l.f. One Illuminating Eye Cream. This is the one I've been loving at the moment, even at night and even just before my makeup. This is the one I've been loving. I take a little bit and apply it underneath my eyes just to make my eyes ready for that concealer that we're gonna use to hide any dark circles, and yeah, just to keep this area moisturized. After I'm done with the eye cream, I like to go in with moisturizer, and I'll show you my two current favorites. The Glow Recipe Watermelon one, and then the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. And today I am feeling more towards the Glow Recipe one. This one is so cooling on the skin, so I like to take it and apply it everywhere on my face and rub it in my skin. I never thought I'd like anything like watermelon just because I don't eat it, but this one is pretty cooling and the fragrance is also really nice. I like to massage it a little bit. Now, once I'm done with moisturizer, I don't go with primer right away. I like to wait a minute or two and then I apply primer. But you can look at the skin. It's looking all ready for that makeup. In the meantime, what I can do is use my Fresh Sugar Caramel Lip Balm. I do have an alternative for this. This is also what I bought when I first started makeup. This is Clinique Super Balm Moisturizing Gloss. This is gloss, so I don't use it that much, but I also really like it. Sometimes I use it even without any lipstick or anything on. And then for this one, I'm out. I need to get another one, but I still have a little bit left. So I like to moisturize my lips, because when you apply foundation, it does get to your lips. All right, when it's been a minute or two for the moisturizer to be on my face. I like to go in with a primer, and I have a few options that I want to show you. I do have the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem primer. This one I don't use it every single time, but then I also have the Benefit Porefessional. This is the regular one, original one, not the hydrating one. I find that this does help with the pores, but not as much as I'd like it to. But then now I do have some drugstore options that I've been using from so long. My favorite is this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and then also from Maybelline I have this Master Prime. This is primer based. This blurs and I think smoothens your face, and it does work really nicely. And then also, how can I forget this, my e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and we will actually be using this today to prime the skin because it's been a few days that I've used it. So I like to take about this much, and I go about right about here. This is where I have larger pores around my nose and like on my cheek area. So I like to take it there and then spread it really nicely. I do try to just keep it in the T-zone area. Sometimes it does get to other parts of the face, but I try to keep it just in the T-zone. You can see how the pores get minimized like instantly. And then also on the forehead. And then this upper lip as well. So that's about it about prepping your face. You do need to put sunscreen every single day. Doesn't matter you're going out, doesn't matter it's cloudy, it's not sunny. You should always put sunscreen on your face and even on your body. And then always moisturize before putting your makeup on. So these are the steps that I take for prepping my skin for a flawless makeup face, because you do need your base to be ready for makeup. You can't just go in on your skin, because now you are giving it like a canvas to work on, you know. You are creating a barrier between your skin and the foundation, concealer, whatever you're gonna use on your face. So I think this does give a pretty nice base to your face to start the makeup. And then it will like the primer, if you have oily skin like me, especially in the T-zone, the primer is gonna help the foundation stay for longer and also stay matte if you prefer matte preference, or you could use any like luminous foundation, but I always prefer only matte foundations, everything matte, just because my skin does get really oily in my T-zone. So that's why I like to use matte foundation. And this is all I wanted to tell you about the prepping skin. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.